Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ke Jylla Meghalaya ubak Lahkmen Rymbui boleh thuk bagi sarkar kadang Pyrshah ban penbet ke Jingiakhih ke bami hadin ke jing bathak ke yang syari bahet hakari ke Supreme Court bagi Nonghikai barok ke diban pendap iaka Teacher Eligibility Test ketat. Habakiran hikilat patai kubor ke arpusan trik unai wiang arjar arpusan ubak Lahkmen Rymbui boleh thuk bagi sarkar kadang Pyrshah ban jing pensyai bagi hukum kamdai kabatrekam retrospective ndai diban Shim Prospective. Walakata ru menteri ulu menjur bagi jing betha ka jing syari behet hakari ke bapengat ekatat kum ka kendon ke badan kam kadang ne haduk mentah. Ula kedau ru bagi sarkar kadang Pyrshah ban pesutu ek sarkar pedeng bahkan penkelai ke an jaka NCERT kadang bakat dom kata ek Nonghikai ke boleh akam sywa ke jing wan jangka right to education. La ban kedau hang ne bagi hajar ngut ke Nonghikai na kelengkari kentup na Meghalaya hapo ka kenhun jong ke All India Primary Teachers Federation ke pelong Jingiakhih jantar mantar New Delhi. Kum kadak ban penpar ke jing Pyrshah ajur halor ke jing betha Jong ke yang syari bahe adu Jong kari.
The protest or agitation of the teachers in Delhi, that is decided by the respective organization. I didn't have any knowledge about that. But having said that, we from the Meghalaya government, we are trying as much as possible to see that whatever order given by any authority which affect the service of the teachers, it shouldn't be retrospective. It should be prospective. But as of now, we cannot. We have to abide by the uh, ruling of the Honorable Supreme Court. Uh, and as I said, time and again we have decided and we have instructed our AG to file the review petition. And more importantly, we are trying to convince the central government that to amend, if possible, to amend the NCTE regulation so that it will not affect prospectively. It should affect only after the coming of the RTE. But having said that, as of now, the judgment of the Supreme Court, which mandated that is the essential criteria, stands. This is being arranged by the respective organization. It has nothing to do with the government. So from me, I cannot comment on that. What I say is, for me, is that how to find the solution to this issue if it is there. But as I said, as of now, the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court stands.